Do this immediately you upload your video on YouTube. This is very, very important. With this, I was able to increase my views, because sometimes you upload video as a small creator, you find out that your video is not performing well. That is not the time for you to fold hand. This strategy that I'm telling you now is what big YouTubers are using to get their first engagement on their video. There is no big YouTuber that doesn't do this that I'm telling you. So I'm not going to tell you to go to YouTube Studio to click any button, off any button or on any button. I'm going to tell you something you will do that will help you to skyrocket, that will help your channel to start getting views. This strategy, the last one, is a mind-blowing. The last one, which is a game changer. Now I want you to pay attention from the beginning of this video to the end, so that you get everything that I'm telling you in this video. If this is your first time on jamming this channel, this is Shavera. In this channel, I teach small creators how to grow on YouTube, how to get their 1,000 subscribers, how to monetize their channel, and also the do's and don'ts they need to avoid on YouTube just to keep their channel safe. If this is really what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive straight to the video. The first one is that you need to create a second YouTube account. If you don't have second YouTube account, you need to create one for yourself or two. Then what are you going to do with these two YouTube channels that you create? You are going to use them to first engage on your video. The moment you send your video, you are going to engage on that video. You are going to watch the video from beginning to the end. You are going to like the video. You are going to comment on that video. You are going to leave a very relevant comment on that channel with that account that you use. What this does is that the moment you upload your video, YouTube sends it to a small number of people. YouTube watches these people's reaction on the video. What YouTube watches is that, did they click on the video? Did they watch the video? Did they stay long on the video? So if you're able to watch this video, engage on the video, and rewatch this video by yourself, YouTube promote this video. YouTube assume that this video is okay. Okay, let's promote it to more people. YouTube spread this video to more people. That is number one. Then number two is pinning a comment. Immediately you upload your video, don't just leave it like that. Start a conversation. Pin a comment that can attract people to start commenting. This comment help people. Sometimes comments can be something that can bring argument. It helps to boost engagement on your channel. One thing YouTube loves so much is a video that has so much engagement. YouTube keep promoting that video to more people. The next one is responding to every comment. Don't neglect any comment anybody comments on your channel. Even if they use emoji to comment, make sure you respond to it. What this comment does is that it boosts engagement. YouTube sees it that the video is active. People are clicking in, people are watching, people are writing. Make sure you comment every engagement that anybody send on your video. Every comment that anybody comments on your video, respond to it. The next one is your community. The moment you upload your video, try and go to your community and share this video to your community. Everybody has community. If you don't know how to activate your community, you can go to this place. You see where I say edit channel. This place, you'll be able to activate it. Once you activate it, your community is set. That place, the moment you upload your video, you share it to your community. You have people that visit community. You find out that that video will start getting views. I'm sharing your video to other sites like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. Sharing your video to those apps is very good, fine, but don't share it immediately you send your video on YouTube. Immediately you send your video on YouTube, you allow YouTube to process that video, to send that video to people before you can now start sharing that video to people. Allow YouTube to do their work, because if you continue sharing your video link immediately to people, once you upload your video, you start sharing your video link, YouTube is going to leave the work for you. Yes, you end up being the one sharing your video link, and anytime you do not do this, you will not get view. That video will not get view. Yes, this one is very certain. That video will not get view if you keep on being the one sharing your video. I've tried all the strategies that I'm telling you, and I see a lot of improvement in my video because of this strategy that I'm telling you. This is tested and proved, and many big creators are using this strategy, but they won't tell you. This is what they use to boost their first engagement. The next one is analytics. Make sure you visit your analytics anytime you upload your video. Don't just assume that your video is doing well. What you are going to do there is that to check how people are engaging in your video, how your video performing. Are they clicking off so quick, or are they watching long? So with this, you'll be able to know the video that performing better and the one that not performing. You'll be able to know your mistakes on that video and how to correct them. But the last one is the game changer. The last one is mind-blowing. This last one, a lot of people neglect it. And in fact, recently I saw a big creator, the title of the video is Start Now. So I also know the thumbnail she used on that video. So when I go back to that channel, I found out that the thumbnail have already changed. She have already changed the thumbnail. What happened is that thumbnail did not resonate well with her subscribers, with viewers. People did not really click on that thumbnail. So she quickly changed the thumbnail to another thing. This is a game changer, and this is what a lot of people are using to get views on YouTube. Now, what she does is that she will go and check the CTR of the video. You know where the CTR is. Once you get to that place, you will see that the CTR of the video, if the CTR is low, pointing down, is telling you that your thumbnail or your title is not resonating well with your people. It's not going well. It's telling you to change your thumbnail or your title. So once this happens, you don't fold your hand. What you do is that immediately you change your thumbnails and title. In fact, this one also happened to me yesterday. When I upload my video, after that, I went back to my analytics and I find out that the CTR was too low. All I did immediately, I quickly changed the thumbnails and changed the title of the video. I sent it again. When I refreshed my analytics, I found out that everything was up. So this really worked. Assuming I did not change it, that video will remain low. These settings help you to get engagement, help to boost your visibility, it help you to get first engagement that help YouTube to push your video to more people. So this is it. Changing your thumbnails and title whenever your CTR is low is the key to get more views on that video. That video that stopped getting view, you can make that video start getting view by changing the thumbnails and titles of that video. If you find this video helpful, please try and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video for others to get.